Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious eclair chocolate cake. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including graham crackers, instant vanilla pudding, milk, and whipped topping. Begin by whisking together the pudding mix with cold milk until it thickens, which usually takes about 2 minutes. Next, spread a thin layer of this creamy pudding mixture over the graham crackers. This forms the essential first layer of your delightful dessert. After your first layer of pudding, gently spread a generous amount of whipped topping over it, creating a soft, airy middle. Now, carefully place another layer of graham crackers on top of the whipped topping. Continue this layering process, alternating between pudding, whipped topping, and graham crackers until you use up all your ingredients or reach the top of your pan. Aim for about 3 layers of each component for optimal taste. The final touch is the decadent chocolate topping. You can make a simple ganache by melting chocolate chips with a little heavy cream or use a store-bought chocolate frosting for convenience. Carefully pour this chocolate mixture over the top layer of your cake, spreading it smoothly to cover everything. Once topped, cover the pan tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to allow it to set. Once your eclair chocolate cake is perfectly chilled and set, it's ready to be enjoyed. Use a sharp knife to cut neat slices, making sure to wipe the knife between cuts for a clean presentation. You can serve it as is, or add a sprinkle of chocolate shavings or a few fresh raspberries for an elegant touch. This no-bake dessert is always a crowd pleaser. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite of your homemade eclair cake.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.